How to fix sending reels failed on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix if you're not being able to send reels on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say that you just open the Instagram app, you have been trying to send a specific reel that you might want to share to someone else over here, but it simply says that the reel sending has failed. Now the very first thing you have to understand, and this usually happens if a person that you follow posted a reel, but that person's account is private, so only you can see the reel because you follow them. But if you're trying to share with somebody, the other person cannot actually find the reel because this person's account is private. I'm just giving you for an example. That could be one of the primary reasons why you are not being able to share someone else's reel. That could be one of those reasons. Other than that, there could be a couple of reasons why you're not being able to send. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and long press the Instagram app icon here, then just tap the I button. Then once you tap the I button, you'll come to this page where you just need to scroll and then look for storage. Click on clear cache and also make sure to clear the data. Then once you've done that, open up your Play Store. Then in the search box, you simply want to go ahead and then actually type in Instagram. So go ahead and type in Instagram here. Once you type in Instagram, just check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it has, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Now you can just come back to the Reels tab over here again. Just go to the Reels, tap the DMs icon here, send it to any people that you wish, and they should be able to receive it accordingly. This is simply how you can fix sending reels failed on Instagram. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.